Well, good afternoon. This is Mark Mernan, host of Investigators in Cars Drinking Coffee. And I'm missing my partner in crime, Wendy Mernan, but I do have with me special guest star, Craig Goldenfarb.
Hey, Mark.
Craig is a good friend and a great personal injury client. We're here outside of his office where we are celebrating. Craig, so what's with the nose?
Well, we're celebrating Red Nose Day like we do every year at my firm, and we've raised a lot of money over the last few years trying to end childhood poverty and childhood hunger. So today we have lots of people at our law firm actually filming videos in our video studio on the first floor and telling bad dad jokes.
Bad dad jokes. Some of my favorites. In fact, my kids tell me that all of my jokes are bad.
Yeah, I think when you hit about 40 and you have kids, all of a sudden your mind shifts and all of your jokes become dad jokes. So I have a couple ready, and
sure,
I'm going to go ahead and let them rip.
Let them rip.
So, Mark, I was trying to make my racing snail faster. So I thought I'd take off his shell, but you know what? It just made him sluggish. And there's one more I have for you.
All right, give it to me.
So it's a sad one, but it was about a constipated mathematician. You know what he had to do, Mark?
What?
He had to work it out with a pencil.
That's disgusting.
You're up, buddy. Beat those.
All right, okay. I told my doctor I've been having some strange dreams about Tom Jones. I said, is that common? She said, it's not unusual. If a child resists taking a nap, are they guilty? If a child refuses to take a nap, are they guilty of resisting arrest?
Oh, God.
Oh, that is really bad. I've got
that.
others from my 4 children who sent them to me, but unfortunately they're on my cell phone, which is taping this. So, Craig, obviously the law firm does other charitable events as well. This is one of them. But you've really made a focus of contributing back to the community, of making positions known throughout your, and you've got one of the most popular law firms as well to work at, don't you?
Yeah, we actually won first place last year in all of South Florida for the small business category of best workplace. So I'm really proud of that.
You should be, and it's a great place to work as well. Any more parting jokes that you have in mind?
Boy, yeah. Did you hear that rumor about butter?
What about butter?
Well, I'm not going to tell you because I'm not really going to spread it.
Does everybody wear a red nose in your office?
Yeah, today is Red Nose Day, so we got everybody.
But they've all, Walgreens, I got this at Walgreens, most of these got these silly characters on
them.
I
think it's the 2019 model has the characters on it. It's pretty funny.
Well, you've been a good sport. Thanks for coming on to Investigators in Cars Drinking Coffee. And always check out Craig Goldenfarb at 800goldlaw.com. Is that right?
That's right, Mark.
800goldlaw.com. He'll treat you very, very well. If you've been injured as a result of negligence of others, visit Craig's website. He's got a great staff that we've had the privilege of working with for many years. So join us another time for Investigators in Cars, minus the red noses, and we'll see you on the next episode.